How to fix TCL remote microphone not working. Now in this quick video, I'm going to show you troubleshooting steps for you to fixing your TCL remote microphone not working. Now it's going to be case to case basis on what specific application you're trying to run. So say for example, you're using YouTube and then microphone suddenly is not working, but the full remote control process is working. So all I have to do, say for example, on the YouTube app, all I have to do is to long press on the OK button of your TCL remote till you get this pop out. Now go into Info, and then from Info, go all the way down to Permissions, and then under Microphone, make sure that it is currently set into Allow. Same goes with all of the applications that you're using on your TCL TV so that it will work. And that is how you fix TCL remote microphone not working.